we'll guide you through how to start Printify dropshipping. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your browser and go to the Printify website. Once you're there, click on the sign up button at the top right corner of the page. You'll need to create an account using your email or sign up via Google or Facebook for convenience. After signing up, log into your new account. Now it's time to connect your store. Go to the Manage My Store section in your Printify dashboard. Click on Add New Store and you'll see options to integrate with platforms like Shopify, Etsy, or WooCommerce. Choose the platform you're using for your online store. Follow the prompts to authorize and connect Printify to your store. Once connected, head over to the catalog section in Printify. Here, you can browse through a wide range of products that you can customize and add to your store. Select the product that you want to offer and click on it. You'll be taken to the design editor where you can upload your custom designs or use Printify's design tools. Adjust your design, choose the colors and sizes, and make sure everything looks perfect. After designing your product, click Save Product and then Publish to add it to your store. Printify will handle the printing and shipping whenever you receive an order, making it easy for you to focus on marketing and growing your business. Don't forget to check their pricing plans to ensure you're getting the best deal for your needs. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.